Nothing fancy, nothing formal. It's just a small, simple, informal gathering of family and closest friends to celebrate a milestone in Jerry's and my life. Thank you to all of you, to our TIGS friends and LA Skyline family for choosing to be here to celebrate our 40 years of blessed marital bliss. Of course, I also would like to thank our children for their support, and they're always there for us. Love you all.
Mga kapatigs, mga kapatids, mga fellow lions, magandang buhay sa inyong lahat. Ito ay isang napaka-importanting araw para sa aming mag-asawa. Dahil lang kami 40 taon nang magkasamang nagtitiis sa bawat isa. Lokohan, kasayahan, lahat na, at higit sa lahat, napagdaanan namin ang lahat ng hamon ng buhay. At kami nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon at umabot kami sa ganitong edad at sa ganitong haba ng aming pagsasama. And I hope na magkakaroon pa ng another golden year anniversary, 50th year. And more and more and more. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And we say thank you.
Thank you.
Very much.
Very much. So, looking forward from Ruby to the golden anniversary.
To gold, yes.
Thank you.
Bye.